Good morning. It's 5:26 in the morning. I'm gonna upload my YouTube video and just get this day started. Have a few things to work on and then also a meeting at 12. Update on the surgery. It's doing alright. Still sore, still have to ice. I think it's day like 9 or 10 now. Coffee is a must. Guys, I really do have the best mom ever. She sends me like get well cards, and inside them she sends me stickers for my truck. So I have 2 stickers that I'm going to put on my truck. One for Hilton Head, which I've already been there a few times, and then a Happy Camper one. Isn't that so cute? So let's go put them on my truck because I'm excited about it. So it's getting to that point in Florida where it's raining because it's summer here. It's literally misting and it's gross and humid. We've gotten to this point. I didn't even bring my keys. Yo, what? Dang. I've got my keys. Florida also does that thing where it like rains while it's sunny all the time. Like it's literally sunny. Weather passes by so fast here. It is very islandy. This is why I say like Florida is just so different from the rest of the United States. It might as well be an island because the weather is just so extreme here for no reason. Anyways, my 4Runner. I love this car. Every single time I see it, I just fall in love with it again and again. Sticker collection grows. Where should we put these stickers? I'm thinking like maybe like that. You think? Maybe the bigger one over here and then like the others one over here like that. I feel like that just like looks too closely together though. I feel like this might be better. I think I'm gonna put this is what I'm gonna do. This camera is really pissing me off because I just missed all of what I just did. I put the sticker down here and then I put the Hilton Head one here. Sometimes this camera like stops and starts recording at like random times. It's kind of annoying, honestly. Anyways, here we go. So we got the Hilton Head one here below the New Mexico Canyon failed adventure I tried to go on. And then I put the Happy Camper one down here. If you guys have any stickers, send them to me. DM me on Instagram. Groovy like a drive-in movie. Alright, I gotta get my laundry out here. I stay be doing laundry. It's just like every single time I'm done doing laundry, I have another load to put in. It's crazy. Coat is dry.
Which is probably like, $10,000 to $15,000 of juice. But
how expensive are like the machines and like the stuff to put into it?
Freaking ridiculous. I don't.
Getting ready for my meeting. So I got my laptop, got my notebook over there. Supposed to be going on at 12. It's 11:51. I made myself a little like mug cake, basically. I wish I had some frosting though.
Consists of 3 people, so there's Omar on the left hand side, me in the middle, and then Sufyan on the right hand side. Whenever you guys need, and then we have Sufyan on the right hand side. He's very, very much part of our.
Okay, so my meeting is over. I submitted my onboarding application. Hopefully everything goes well and I can just like start creating. So then they'll send me a contract and then I can sign it. I hope, fingers crossed, everything goes well. I hope they like what I can do and provide for the company, but we'll see. We're waiting and seeing now, so that should be interesting. I've never tried UGC stuff before. I don't know how any of it works, but I'm really excited to start and get into this process of all this stuff. So that being said, I'm going to start making my own shorts and continuing that process to stack them up so that I can have a full storage vault of videos that I could just keep uploading while I'm super busy this summer. Guys, I am stuck between a rock and a hard place. There's so many days where I just wish that I had a 9 to 5. Honestly, truthfully, that someone would just tell me what to do and I would do it, and I would go home and I would eat and I would just do it all over again and fulfill someone else's dream, working under them. But whenever my life shifts into having a part-time job, I always get this unmotivated feeling that I'm just not in the right place. Why am I wasting my time building something for somebody else when I could be building it for myself? It's 10 times harder. The work is heavier. And this is just not fun anymore. And so I get so foggy from working this said part-time job. And then I get disinterested in it. And then I just slack off and I just half do it, like most people at 9 to 5s. It's really frustrating because when I'm at those kinds of jobs, I just sit there and I daydream. And I'm like, man, I'm just capable of so much more than this. And that's just what I think about. I'm like, man, if I could just do this, if I could just get those numbers up on social media, if I could just build my company like how I wanted to, if I could just get some video clients, what would my life look like then, you know? But instead I'm at this 9 to 5, stuck. I can't really do anything, so I just daydream about it. It's a rock and a hard place. You know, you want the stability, but then when you get the stability, you don't want the job. You don't want to do it. You always want what you can't have. And it's on repeat in life, I'll tell you that much. I struggle so much with this. Sometimes it's just ridiculous how much I just go in these circles, these loops, these seasonal jobs. That's why I do seasonal jobs, because like there's so many months, I know the end is coming, and it's just like, okay, great, I can get some relief with this job. But then other times I'm like, man, what am I gonna do? The other side of my brain is like, okay, well, you know, we got to figure out something because we have no income coming in right now. It's difficult finding something that suits you, but most of the time you have to build something tailored to you in order to feel that kind of fulfilledness. At least that's what I think in my brain. That's what I imagine. Otherwise, you're just stuck doing stuff for other people, and you're just working for them. You're making them money. Ah, man, this country's getting to me. That's just what's been going on in my mind recently. Just sitting here thinking about these stuff and on these calls and, you know, going through these groups and stuff. I'm just, man, I can create content for them, but what if I created content by myself? What if I just had that one video? What if I just, you know, stuck to it? What if I just, you know, I think I'm headed on like 8 or 9 years now on YouTube, which is crazy because I only have like 3,000 subscribers. I've never had the chance to hit the algorithm, but I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm still trying to do it. Still trying to do it the cheapest way I can, trying to not buy ads or buy followers or buy any of that, trying not to just do it and somehow get into the algorithm some way. Still trying to figure it out. And I think for me that's like the ultimate dopamine point, is because like it's like a lottery ticket. You know, every video I post, everything, like this could be the next one. This could be the next lottery ticket. This could be, you know, the next viral thing. This could be, you know, this one thing it can do it. So that kind of keeps me on the edge of my feet and my toes. And that's like, okay, like next one. Okay, that didn't do well. Okay, next one. What's the next one? What about shorts? What, you know, and so it keeps me in this loop, creating content. But also, I just love to make videos. And I think that's why I never burnt out, is because I just love it. You know, that's why I never got really discouraged, is because I just want to be doing it all the time. Just some things I'm thinking really impact kind of how I do certain workflows and how I approach certain jobs and things like that. My favorite aisle to shop in. The traveling aisle. Always my favorite aisle. It's expensive here at CVS, but it's my favorite. Come here. Come here. It's okay. There we go. So cute.